something came in today. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You didn't know what this is? No? I'm going to open it right now. I'm really excited. I'm nervous too.
Where is it from?
It came from Big Hit. It's official awesome sauce. Ooh! Oh, dude. Holy.
It's shiny.
The box is so... The design is... Wow. Just... No comment. Okay.
Fit perfectly in that box.
It really is. Ooh. Look.
Oh, what is that?
That's the light stick.
Oh wait, is there something in it?
Yes. Oh, I've never seen this. It's got the little BTS logo in it.
Huh.
Oh,
I didn't know it had little beads in it. You know that?
Me neither. Actually, it comes with a pouch too. Okay. Here's a manual of how to use it. I think you have to put batteries in, but look.
What kind of batteries do you need?
I don't know.
That is the cutest picture of Namjoon I've ever seen.
Thank you. Thank you for mentioning my advice. So now it's like people on YouTube don't know.
Hold on. Is everyone in there? Is Jimmy in there?
I think so.
Oh no.
I'll show this after this one.
Okay, I still want to see him. That's cute. They're all doing the victory, aren't they?
There's Jin.
No, he's doing love.
Little heart thing.
Yeah.
That's Jin. Wait, there's Jin.
Let's get a close up of all of them.
Oh,
too.
my bad. My bad. Oh,
I'll just grab them one by one.
Let's do it like this. I won't drop my light stick either because I know how I am.
You want to put batteries in it?
I don't know. I don't know what batteries it takes yet.
This is a different version, right?
It's version 3. It's a brand.
Is this version 3?
Yeah, it's version 3.
Well, why does it have this thing?
It's like if you're satisfied with it.
Oh, so like a poem.
That's what they use in the albums too. That's like what you get in the albums. So that's official. So this is Namjoon.
Yeah, I had to wait for it to focus, but it's focused now.
You have to do that for me because you're sugar.
Sugar.
The second coolest rapper.
Looking as sweet as sugar.
You're Jin.
Jen.
Jinchi.
Look at that healthy good boy.
I'm excited for you already, so. I'm your hope.
That is a cute picture, J-Hope.
I'm your
I don't
angel.
seem that messy.
I kind of like the mess of her.
Oh.
Our best friend's bias right there.
They got him in the Jaguar print because he's a sex slave. It's a little sad, but he looks beautiful.
It's okay. It's Jimmy cheek. It's Jimmy. Oh, here's me.
Oh,
Or a Jungkook glass. I'm surprised they didn't put Jin after Namjoon, but that's okay. And here's Jungkook.
well, actually got it by age or something.
No, they didn't.
They didn't?
No, Jin. They could show you before Jin.
Oh, you're right.
That's okay.
That is a good Jungkook photo, and I'm not even a Jungkook stan.
Okay.
Let me see the light stick closing. Cause I've never understood what the patches are. It's just camo.
Actually, let's see what batteries it takes. I don't know. Okay. I think it's double A, maybe?
Oh.
I have double A batteries at home.
Okay.
This looks like it's going to be pretty easy to use since it's not like the 2 p.m. light stick I got.
Wait.
It doesn't have a stand anyway, so it's pretty simple.
Actually, here's the bag that comes with it, like a protective little pouch. I have a little pouch for it.
Oh,
my
that's
God.
nice.
It's got.
What'd you drop? You want me to find it?
Drop the band.
It's right here. Oh, it's for the Bangtan Bomb.
Oh,
It's got Army on it. Look.
that is cute.
BTS Army, and then there's.
That's how you like
Hold the lights.
carry it, I guess.
Yeah, that's how you carry it. This is the bag.
You know how to put these on?
I'm not sure.
I know how. I can help you with that.
Okay, cool. This is the bag it comes in, so it'll be easier for, it'll be easier. So it just holds your Bangtan Bomb in here. I don't know why we got photo cards, but it said they came with photo cards.
Well, that's pretty special. I like it.
I don't know who should. It's for the Bangtan Bomb apparently, and they do have an app for the light stick.
I bet it's gonna be like my 2 p.m. app.
Yeah, it's kind of. Let's see how I don't want to press this thing. Oh wait, I figured it out.
It looks pretty simple. Mine was a little bit complicated.
Oh.
Yep, there you go. You just put the nail and that's it.
Oh, it's only one?
Well, you can put.
It looks like 3 batteries go in there.
3, huh?
Yeah, I have double A batteries. Okay, I thought it'd be more complicated than this, but okay.
Pretty simple.
I like this. It's so wait. I'm sorry. I have to lift my photo card. I don't know. This is my problem. Like I have
It's
issues.
just his hair looks really cool there, you know?
Well, yeah, I know. I don't know. Yours is kind of like okay.
I've seen him wear that shirt before too. I
It's
don't
in
know
the
what
music.
photo shoot it is.
It was the music video.
Which one is it?
Fake love.
Oh,
It's
well,
fake
that
love.
makes sense now, doesn't it?
Fake love.
Yeah.
How did she say?
Fake love, fake love.
Oh no, I talk about Jimin too. Like when I
Ah.
opened my Answer album, like I got the Jimin photo card, and I was like, Jimin! Like I kind of fangirl too when Jimin. It's special because when it's Jimin and it's Jimin, but I just can't get over Namjoon. I literally just can't.
That is a beautiful photo of him. That's all. Is it all from Fake Love then?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
that's one of the outfits you wore.
When they change their hair so much, I lose count. You know.
Well, Idol's different.
It seems like a long time ago since
no,
Fake Love.
Dude, it was like 3 months.
I know. That's what's wild. It's scary.
I'm gonna put the photo card.
Time moves in a whole different dimension with BTS.
That doesn't look too bad at all, and I'm surprised.
Just the box is pretty, man.
I know.
Got
I
all
actually
sorts of stuff
came-
on it.
It does come with the app as well. I messed up the box because I was trying to cut it.
No, that's fine. I mean,
That's
you're gonna eventually throw it away too, I'm sure.
Probably so. I'm not sure. Let me look inside of it.
Do you have anything else to say to the camera, or you want to say goodbye?
Yeah. I'm just really happy, and I was not expecting. I don't know. This is my first light stick I ever owned, ever. Like, even with the prices, it's worth it because it's just.
It looks quality.
Yeah, and the photo cards are what made it worth it too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is probably one of the shortest videos I ever did on this
Well,
channel.
you could do another. You could just add another video on and show how it lights up later.
Yeah, I can just do another. Oh wait, it goes on.
You found the switch, huh?
Yeah. I'm not. I'm just trying to.
Yeah, it won't mean much until you get the.
Oh, this
batteries
is made,
in.
oh, this is made in Korea.
It should be.
Of course. I'd make sure it's an official light stick, but the Amazon light stick.
I wonder where my 2 p.m. light stick was made.
Yours is probably made in Korea too.
I don't know, man. Could have been made in China.
No, I was just making sure.
I mean, it would make more sense to be made in China. It's funny how our things are made in China when we're so far away from China.
Yeah, I know. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'm really excited to get. I was going to get version 2, but version.
I think it's prettier in person, you know? I wasn't sure how I'd feel
Yeah, I
about
think
it.
the first 2 were a little shaped a little differently. Like they were different. This is actually a lot more sturdier.
I like that, you know, there's something in it. That's fun to me.
Yeah, I want to try. I need to get an app for this too. For the, like it goes with the app too.
Okay.
Because
Well, I'm going to shut it down now.
Thank you thank you guys, and I love this so much, and the photo cards especially. If I showed Namjoon 3 times, sorry, but if you know me, it's okay. So bye.